So some people they know sugar is bad for you, but maybe they don't know why. So what would you say
Well,
to
there's some
people?
obvious things with sugar. One, it's a refined carbohydrate that has 4 calories per gram without any feedback. You don't get normal satiation feedback because there's no fiber. It tends to drive the insulin levels up, and then the insulin will drive your blood sugars down. And now you get these cravings. A lot of these cravings people have are because they've been eating refined carbohydrates that muck with their insulin, stimulate their brain to think they're starving, even though they're getting plenty of calories. And so normalizing that function by using complex carbohydrates, plant-based foods, rather than refined carbohydrates and sugars and the like, oftentimes those cravings go away because your blood sugar level and your insulin levels begin to stabilize. It's also why exercise can be helpful, but exercise alone won't overcome poor dietary choices. So sugar also has other effects, though. If you think about your gut, your digestive system, there's 5 pounds or so of bacteria living in there, in organisms. And these are living creatures. So they're breathing and they're eating and they're defecating inside you right now. So you have 1 trillion creatures pooing inside your intestinal tract. And what they poo in you could be toxic waste like TMA, which is what bacteria tend to poo in you when you're on an animal-based diet, or they could be pooing fertilizer into you like vitamin K. So if you want your organisms in your intestinal tract to protect you and secrete fertilizer, then you have to feed them the soluble fibers that are necessary. So your sweet potatoes and your squashes and your vegetables, and not feed them the animal products, the meat, fish, fowl, eggs, and dairy products, which change the bacterial flora. Well, salt, when you think about salt, it's a preservative.